Anyone in the class who can lead the prayer? Okay, you may. Thank you. Good morning again. Have a seat. Is anyone present in the class? Jason, again? He's the only one? Okay, Jason is absent. Anyone in the class who can recall our last topic? Okay, Mark. Yeah. Very good. Impressive. You still remember our last topic. So now I have an activity. So let's divide the class into 4 groups. I will give you 4. Are you ready for our next topic? So before we proceed to our next topic, let's have an activity. I want you to group yourselves into 4 groups. So I will give you one paper, every group. So, time's up. Finish or unfinished, please pass your papers. Okay, have you observed something on the activity? Yes, it's looked like a ladder. So, do you have an idea what's our topic today? No? So, let's proceed to our topic. The objectives of this topic is, at the end of the period, all of you will able to define if it is arithmetic sequence or not by obtaining the common difference. Can use the formula of arithmetic sequence and apply the formula in finding the nth term. So can you do that? So what's our topic for today is, right, arithmetic sequence. So, what is arithmetic sequence? An arithmetic sequence is a sequence of number if the difference between successive term is constant, in which a constant can be added to each term to get the next term. So, this is common difference. Is a difference between the terms. So, the terms, between the numbers, their terms are common. Example, 1, 3, 5, 7. To find the D, subtract any term from that follows it. So, D means the difference. So, as it says here, subtract any term from one that follows it. So, 3 minus 1 equals 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 7 minus 5 equals 2. So, their difference are common. Their difference are constant. So, this is the arithmetic sequence. So, next. So, how to determine if it is not an arithmetic sequence? There are a lot of sequence. So for example, like this, 1, 2, 4, 8. So this is not an arithmetic sequence because the difference between terms is not constant. Understand? Do I need to explain further? Yes, very good. So since you already know, let's proceed. So this is the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. So the formula is a equals to a minus 1, a1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d, where a1 for the first term, an for the nth term, d for the common difference, n for the number of term for a1 to an. So you already get it? No need to explain? Very good. So let's proceed. Since you already know about it, the sequence, let's have an activity again. But this activity is graded. So again, I want to group you into 4 and then answer this. Tell whether the sequence is arithmetic or not. Explain why or why not. So I will give you 5 minutes to answer this. So you can answer it in just the same group on paper. So your time starts now. So here's the criteria for activity. Don't forget to write your name in the back of your paper. So time's up. Pass your papers. Wow, you really are a fast learners. So this is the answer. So the sequence, letter A, is an arithmetic sequence since every pair of the consecutive terms has a common difference of 2 minus 2. That is d equals 2d equals 2. On the other hand, sequence B is not an arithmetic sequence. There is no common difference among the pairs of consecutive terms in the sequence. So as I see, all of you got correct. So bravo. Since you already understand it, now do you understand our lesson? Very good. How to know if it is an arithmetic sequence or not? Good. So you already all understand it? So if that's the case, now let's have a quiz. So get 1/4 sheet of paper. So this is just a 5 question test. Wait. So here's the direction. Read the question carefully and choose only the letter of the correct answer. And then you only have 40 seconds to answer every question. So, are you ready? Okay, let's start. Number 1. Next. time's up. Finish or unfinish, exchange your paper with your seatmate. Be honest, guys. So, you already exchanged. So now let's find out the answer. So number 1 is B, 68. Number 2, again B, 10. Number 3, B, 3. Number 4, C, 19, 23, and 27. And then number 5, D, common difference. So who got 5? 28, 4. Okay, pass your papers. Wait, now let's compute our MPS. So, you already know how to compute our MPS? Good. So, 28 got 5. So, that's 140, I think. Yes, 140. And then 5 got 4. 3, no. 2, 1, 0. So we have 4 and 5. So that's 140 plus 20 equals 160. And then times by 100 equals 1600 divided by number of items, that will be 400. That will be wait. 484 point plus, and then time divided by total number of students. So since Jason is absent, we are just 23, right? So our MPS is 96.6. So congratulations, guys. Job well done. So your assignment, just study advance the Fibonacci sequence. Just I said there are a lot of sequence, and this is one of it. So since it's almost time, anyone can lead the closing prayer. Okay. So that's all. Thank you. So goodbye, guys. See you around.